downtown, walking fast, faces past and I'm homebound. And I need you, and I miss you.
Hi guys, so it's the next day from the previous clip. Like I said, I ordered some RAM and I can get it now. But before I do that, I wanted to show some specs of my computer for some people who don't know it yet. And like you can see, my camera doesn't really show the monitor well, and so I have this Sony camera I have used sometimes, but I don't use it a lot because it's hard to set up, and yeah. But I found a perfect use case for it for this video, so here's the camera. I don't know really which model it is. Apparently it's only a 68, but when I Google it, I can't find it. It's my dad's camera, not mine. So I don't know really. I don't have the perfect stance for this one either, so I'm gonna have to work with this. Alright, now it's set up and let's see the regular. There we go. Let's turn on the computer. I can also turn this camera really easily because it's on my chair. It goes really fast, so I'm gonna do this. And can use here a little. Let's zoom that in. I can also turn on this monitor. So we are on the BIOS, and I'm not sure, does this Dell BIOS show the specs it got? Yes. So 8 GB of DDR3 RAM and Intel Core i5 something processor. I don't know, does it show it here, but yeah, Intel Core i5 3570 CPU. And then I got 2 hard drives, one is 500 GB and one is 1 TB, and the 500 GB is faster than the other one, and the other one is stolen from a PS4. Not stolen from somebody, it's from my PS4 that broke down. And then I got the GTX 1650. It's not the original card that I showed before. I can actually show it now. I hope this is good quality, I don't know. So this is a new card. I got it when it was, I think it was January when I got this car. Alright, I'm back with this package. Yeah, it's in a cooler package. I don't know what this code is on the top, but just in case I'm hiding it. Let me unbox some of this tape so I won't spoil any information. I'm also going to remove all the stickers from the box. Hopefully I don't break this later on. Okay, here's the run, and I'm gonna be installing it in here. Let's unplug the computer and start taking out the stuff. Hopefully it works. Let's take the monitor cables off and pretty much everything. Oh wait, I don't need to take the USBs off and the Ethernet and stuff. Only the GPU and the PSU. This was kinda too easy to take out. This is the new GTX 1650. I don't know if I showed it before, but it's there. It doesn't have any more RAM or anything. It's the same as the other one, just with a different cooler. It cools it better. Gonna take this tray off easily. There we go. Let's unplug these actually. Oh wait, I don't need to. Just take it out like this and put it on the side. The RAM is right under this thing, so there's my RAM, and it's 8 gigabytes max, and yeah, I gotta install more. Wait, is this different RAM? I don't know. No, it's not. Let's actually take one stick out. I don't know, the pins are like same, but it's different size. It doesn't matter. I'm actually got this iPhone somewhere. We're kind of partly holding whole thing. Just in case, because I'm kind of bad at recording on the camera, so I got this other case that can hold the iPhone. Yeah, let's just not use the camera hands, just okay. You're not sure this. I don't have the good the link is. I thought I will take out the run and just put them in one by one. That's not gonna help this. I thought put some of this anyway, so alright that the other side doesn't like really click in. I'm just hoping this is because I'm pressing everywhere and it doesn't like click in. It's all the like look, this thing is all the way on here already, but this one only clicked. And I'm trying to press it in and it doesn't like that, so I hope it's alright. I pulled that out already. And go back there. I should also take the CMOS out for a second because then it starts beeping, but okay, this one clicked on both sides. Let me just try again with this other stick. There we go. Seems like it's trying to boot up. Yeah, it's doing the same as thing. Blinking yellow light. Which means that I will take the hard drives out to location because I cannot, otherwise I cannot take the CMOS or maybe I can. There it is, but I don't know. Is that like a thing to touch to take it out or? How do I take this out? I don't know. It's kind of like one, but it seems like it's dropping off or something. It doesn't really seem that it has strings, but it doesn't like push this out really. Okay, so apparently you're supposed to use your finger to pull that thing towards the cables because that pulls out the thing. It's not like on modern computers. But I can just snap it back in now and it should work. Let's put it back to the desk and try it out. I think it was trying to do it and I got it. Yellow light blinking. Shit. Alright, now the RAM is installed and it boots BIOS. I don't know what I did different this time, but it works. I just keep plugging in and plugging them out and using different slots or something. Let's now shut it down and again. It probably doesn't like that I unplug it because it usually tries to reboot for like 1 second. Just to tell the system that it was shut down perfectly and now turn off. Remove this play. I hope that this fixes all the issues I have. My friend told me that it's the PS2 these issues, but I'm kinda sure that it's clear. I won't be buying another PSU because they are really hard to find for this computer. And I just tried to put the PSU in the wrong way. Screw it up. And it works. Also, you know it works. Okay, Firefox is open here, Steam is opening, OBS is open, it's open Chrome. Oh wait, that's not, that might show some stuff. Anyways, you can blur that out. YouTube. Open that a few times. Let's open Task Manager. This will be my network, or it will be the computer just doing its basic slowdowns for now. Yep. Discord finally loaded. Is this one? It's not installed. What do you mean? Okay, let's try Life is Strange 2. My next upgrade is probably an SSD into this thing, and then it's probably way much faster. But then that's like the maximum this computer can do, so I might as well just get a new one. I'm not gonna sell this OptiPlex though. It's gonna be my second computer or something, or a server or something. If I can get like a computer that's really good. Come in, good. Oh wait, now I'm going to spoil some projects. I hope I have something that I didn't delete it yet, because I mean something that I already uploaded and deleted, because then I won't spoil anything. I've been playing Life is Strange for a while now. It's really good game. You should play that or something. This video was also like an apology of the Xbox 360 video. I'm not gonna release another part of the Windows 98 installing video, at least yet, because you cannot do that on DOSBox. That's the thing. You need DOSBox X, and that's not a thing on Xbox 360. So if I do that, I'm gonna install Xbox 360 Linux, and install something on there, or like DOSBox X on there, and run it there. It could work, but it's really slow or something. I don't even know how to install the Linux yet, so if I can find that out, then I will do it. That's everything I got for today's video, and yeah.